Good morning. My name is Senzeni. I go to school on grade 4 and Miss Mulilo.
Senzeni. Unotsvage pafoni yangu ibva ipapo. Ndamboti uendepo. Ndakuti uende pafoni yangu. Ibva ipapo enda unosuka uko.
Guys, please don't mind her. She's crazy. Don't mind her. Hello guys, it's your girl Bimuzingwa, aka Biweshira. So guys, winter is around the corner. Are you wondering where you can get affordable quality blankets and children tracksuits? Well, worry no more, my friend. Just visit us at Evast marketing offices. We have a variety of blankets ranging from $15 to $25, readily available stock. Guys, come and enjoy a peaceful and safe shopping experience. Procrastination is the thief of time. If not now, then when? Just do it now. Chando chiri kuuya. Hurry while stocks last, guys. I love you. Okay? Cheers.